Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down prerequisites you cannot skip: EUPAC names, functional groups, resonance, and hybridization. Do this actively, draw structures, push arrows, and explain each step aloud so you internalize mechanisms. Once done, sort topics into high, medium, and low-yield lists. Prioritize high yield first. Make sure to set a timer for focused 45-60-minute study blocks and use a single, consistent notebook for reaction summaries so you avoid scattered notes later. You now move into concentrated practice, alternate active recall with timed problem sets. For each reaction type, write the mechanism from memory, then compare to sources. This identifies weak links. Once comfortable, integrate synthesis problems and multi-step transformations to build pathway thinking. Make sure to interleave past Neet questions with new problems so you transfer skills under exam timing. Use quick flash quizzes for reagents and common pitfalls, and update your one-page reaction maps after every error. You finish by consolidating knowledge through full-length mocks and focused revisions. Review your error log after each mock, categorize mistakes, and schedule targeted fixes into that week's plan. This closes learning loops. Once done, switch to light daily recall, sketch mechanisms, and name reagents in 5 minutes. If you hit a plateau, stop and deconstruct a tough question into 2 or 3 micro-steps, then reteach the solution aloud. This troubleshooting tip breaks down overwhelm and rebuilds confidence quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.